Happy Friday. Today is Friday, March 14th, 2005. I just finished day 19 of my Wake Up with Peach class. It is 5:28 a.m. And of course, class was amazing. I have been for the last, today would be like day 14 of my challenge, my Motivational March challenge to upload a video on my YouTube channel daily. So today will be day 14. For the last 2 days, I've uploaded like pranks and challenges for my godchildren. I have plenty more. I would have to go through YouTube though to see which one I'm going to upload for today. But that's the plan for the next few days, to upload like throwback challenges or pranks or different things like that from my godchildren as I prepare for our spring break sleepover. We'll have like a spring break get together sleepover. I am 80% done with the itinerary. I'm going to put the finishing touches on it today. It was one thing that I wanted to do, like rent out a movie theater, but it's just not going to work out because I'm in Orland Park. The movie theater is less than 10 minutes away from where I live. The plan that they have, that you can, rent out a theater for, parties or events. I think one of the rules is it can't be at one that has like the Tavern Grill. Why, I don't know, but the one near me is a Tavern Grill, and I don't want to have to travel to another area just to do movies. So if I decide to do movies, I'm still trying to figure it out, because all of my godchildren love going to the movies. They just do. If I'm going to do movies, it's going to be just like a matinee or something. So I need to check out the list of movies for now, or what's coming out, excuse me, and see if I want to do that on Friday morning, and then do Dave and Buster's a little bit later, because Dave and Buster's is a set that's going to happen because all of them like Dave and Buster's. And I have Godkids ranging from 5. Mylo is the only little person that'll be with me. And my oldest godson is 18? Yeah, so just something that they all would like to do. And Dave and Buster's is it. That's 9 minutes from my house. So not too far, but like I said, I'm about 80% done with the itinerary. I will be done with that itinerary and have it sent out by this weekend. And I only say this weekend because I have a little bit more time to really like type out, and I always like to have all the information for all the parents exactly where we will be, a general time of where they can expect us and all of that, just in case they want to check in. So I'll definitely have that out. It'll be done today. But because I've been working on my quarterly reports for my clients, let's see. And I'm proud of myself. I've been doing really good with these. I have 24 clients that have 24 reports. And these are reports that go to the courts by Saturday. So by tomorrow, I have completed 16. Okay, I have completed 16. The goal today, this morning, let's say, is to have my three clients from yesterday. I met with them yesterday to have their notes completed and their quarterly reports completed this morning. And then I have 5 sessions today with 5 clients. And I want to have their notes together. I don't know if I'll be able to complete their quarterly reports by today because I have to meet with them too. So I will finish theirs tomorrow. And that'll be the last of mine to complete. It's due tomorrow by midnight or by 11:59 p.m. So I'll have that done, and then I'll have more time I'm still hanging up clothes for my totes, and also to really get the itinerary out. So that's the plan for me today, to continue working on my quarterly reports, put the finishing touches on my itinerary from spring break for my Godkids. And then I have grading to do also for week 2 for the psychology class that I teach, as well as I do announcements on Sundays, just kind of leading up to the week, closing out the week before, leading up to the new week, with everything they need to do and some encouragement. And then on Friday, because we're coming to the end of that week, I just send like a reminder announcement, so far you guys are doing this well, and then I do a reminder, by Sunday, this needs to be turned in. If you have any questions or you run into any issues, reach out to me type thing. So I have to do that and some grading today. And that'll be my day. That'll be my day today. I've been having a very productive day yesterday and the day before that. And I have to be productive and very specific about timelines. And if I take a break and I'm on social media for a few minutes, putting a timer on, because I got so much to do. But like I said, I'm super proud of myself I have 16 quarterly reports completed out of the 24. I would definitely get 3 more done today. Maybe 4. I feel like I can do my 3 o'clock. I think I'll be able to do her notes and the quarterly report for her, because it's not really difficult, that she's my 16-year-old. But yeah, so that's the goal. And then on this, I'm going to insert either a challenge or a challenge or a prank for my Godkids, like a throwback, like I've been doing. So happy Friday. You guys have a great day and a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye. Everybody should be in the middle. Yeah. Everybody stand in the middle. Oh, sorry. I got you already. I put you already. Oh my God. Don't go get you again. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna get braids fall off. My calculator. Hey, you're not gonna give us no strategy. Brooke, you talking downstairs. Y'all ready? Yeah. The lights out? Yeah. Wait. I don't want to run over time. I think she on time. Are you going to say go? Wait a minute. We're going to talk when we try to throw it and then go. Micah, you want front of the kiddo? You'll turn off the light. Frenda, when you turn off the light, it's time to start. They be on car. Oh, they have a little laser thing. Oh, yeah, they got lasers. Where the lasers at? We got here. Remember you saw these? Hands up. Breathe. We didn't like it that one. It's not laser. This Micah, so I ain't going to give it to nobody. No, this is mine. No. Oh, let me see.
whoever belongs to.
That's Maya. That's Maya.
Yeah, this is the pointer.
Yes, pointer. That's yours.
You keep saying finger. I thought a finger point.
Have it?
Yeah.
She gonna. Thank you, Maya.
No, she wants it. She don't want it.
So
Come on, thank you, Maya.
Okay, you know.
Yeah.
Let me find out who's wrong with this.
Oh, that's
Wait.
All right, we both.
All right, we about to get it.
Where y'all running? Get in the middle.
Chris. I'm scared. So I
Can't see nothing.
ain't got the bullet right towards you.
Don't aim at nobody's face.
No.
Hey. Y'all need some bullets, people.
Yeah, go turn it on and off. Just so I can get them. Turn it on again where the guns are.
She said, do you love me?
Look at Josiah over there saying. Look at him. Just saying. Like you don't know the song. Okay. Ready?
And one.
I didn't say X. I didn't say go.
Somebody get on the phone like this. Oh, look at those. Look at. Get out my way.
All right. Ready? Go.
Get back.
Wait, what?
Reset. Go down. We're gonna reset.
Get bullets.
You need your bullets. Get bullets. You need bullets.
That's scared. All the points went upstairs. Dang.
We're gonna reset.
Go green. Y'all need bullets. Go green.
We're gonna reset. Come back.
Look, I got a stretch.
Don't come on in. Come back.
I got a stretch. It's a stretch bullet. Hey, the big one. What?
We're gonna reset.
Yeah, I got shot in my tentacles. I got shot. It's chaos.
All right, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna reset. Get the.
Get back. Girl.
Do that roll again. Stop, drop, and roll.
Get loose.
She ready.
Oh crap.
Why y'all running up the stairs? Y'all ain't nothing up there. Booski, they got. I'm coming in hot. I got some bullets.
Big Daddy B coming in hot.
Somebody got me.
How you messing up, man?
Somebody got me. Wait till I turn this light.
You guys forget about me?
Wait till I turn this light on. I got somebody. Somebody just shot me in my house.
Let's go.
And it say, bro. Oh, Chris, I see you, bro. I see you. That's all right. He just shot me in my ass. He's the only person I got left. I got you something. Where am I going at? Where am I going at? Y'all son, you might be
Josiah, Daddy, help! On me! Somebody shot me in my belly.